Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I'd like to discuss one-sided limits, which might at first seem like a useless and gimmicky concept, but in fact are a tool used to prove the existence of regular limits. For example, say we have the function 2x over x, and we want to take its limit as x, and therefore the denominator, approaches 0. We know, based off of basic rules of algebra, that the right-hand side and the left-hand side will give the same results for the same x distance. It's just that one will be negative, the left-hand one, and one will be positive, the right-hand limit. However, if we did not have either the left-hand or right-hand limit known, we would not be able to prove that the limit exists, because what makes a limit is that it has to be tested from all directions to verify its accuracy. So as simple one-dimensional functions, you would only be able to go left and right along the x-axis. There's really no other directions to test from. The other case where a limit would not exist is if the left and right did exist but gave different values. Because then you would have two different values at the exact x-coordinate of the limit. And a limit, by definition, must have only one number.